In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a chart to a Salesforce report. Whether you're looking to visualize trends, compare data, or just make your reports more engaging, adding a chart is a straightforward way to enhance your data presentation. Let's dive right in and make your reports more dynamic and insightful. First things first, open your report in edit mode. This is your starting point for making any modifications or enhancements to your existing report. Once you've done that, cast your eyes over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the Outline tab. Within this tab, make sure there's a field listed under Group Rows. This step is crucial because charts require a grouped field to display the data properly. Without this, your chart won't have the necessary structure to display your information accurately. Now, with your report set up correctly, it's time to add a chart. Look towards the top right toolbar of your screen and locate the Add Chart button. It's represented by a bar graph icon, making it easy to spot. Give it a click, and you'll notice that a default chart will appear instantly on your screen. Salesforce has done the legwork here by providing a standard chart, but we can tailor it to better fit your needs. To customize your chart, find the gear icon in the top right corner of the chart block. This icon is your gateway to chart properties. Click on it, and a world of customization options will open up to you. First, take a look at the chart type. You have several options here: bar, column, donut, funnel, or line. Choose the one that best represents the story you want your data to tell. Each type has its strengths, so consider what will make your data most comprehensible and compelling to your audience. Next, let's adjust the value. By default, it might be set to record count, but sometimes you want more than just a count. You might be interested in a numerical summary field, like the sum of an amount. This adjustment can provide deeper insights, especially if you're dealing with financial data or other numerical measurements. Simply change this setting to reflect what you need your chart to showcase. Once you've made all the necessary customizations and your chart looks just the way you want it, it's time for the final step: saving your work. Head to the top right corner again and click on Save and Run. This action will save your changes and run the report with the newly added chart. Now your report is not only ready to be shared with others, but also equipped with a visual tool that enhances its readability and impact. And there you have it. You've successfully added a chart to your Salesforce report, transforming raw data into a visual story that's easier to understand and more engaging for your audience. Remember, the key to effective data presentation is not just in the numbers, but in how those numbers are conveyed. With a well-chosen chart, you can make complex data accessible and actionable. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.